Hi everyone, welcome back to Violet Artistry. Today we're playing with pink a little bit. I received the new limited collection Persona blush called Bubble, and can we take a look at this beauty? So I was inspired, I wanted to use it, as well as several products that I bought on a whim, you know, that Instagram click add to cart type of day. And they've been sitting on my vanity for a while, gathering dust. So here we are, playing with new things for me, but things that apparently I do love. So I created this look today, and I hope you enjoy watching. Let me know in the comments below what you love to see next, and let's get started. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Let's start with foundation today. We are experimenting with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. I've used this maybe twice. I loved it. However, when I did use it, my skin was very broken out. So let's see today how this behaves. I'm gonna take it on a little buffing brush, work it into the brush, and then I'm gonna start with my chin area and around my mouth, where you can see I have redness and I have acne scarring. So let's concentrate there, and whatever we have left, we can blend it in the rest of the face. That way we have these areas that look like skin. They don't need that much covering. So let's see, coverage is pretty strong. And what do we think about this finish? Not so bad, right? You know I'm gonna say it, glowy. Beautiful. All right, let's blend this all in. I only used a drop, so now I think this is more than enough. Okay, I think we love it so far. For concealer, I'm trying really hard to use my third tube of the YSL All Hour Concealer because it's just one of the best. I have colors in my kit from this line. It's nice coverage, and yet it's very moisturizing, and it doesn't cake and crease under your eyes. So I made a decision of adding this into my professional kit as well. So it's been doing me good. I don't know why now I have like a little darkness around my mouth. Just age never ceases to amaze me. Okay, I'm almost out of this, barely. I'm gonna do a little bit of that. And try to cover these scabs. And all right, well, let's leave it as is and just try to blend it. And once we have that, we can move on. I highly recommend this concealer. Very hydrating, and yet really nice coverage. Okay, let's set. I'm gonna go with my Kosas because, again, it's only been used a few times, and I want to make the best out of it. Not to mention, it works great for the entire face as well as set under the eyes without creasing. So I'm just going to use this tiny little, it's an eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown, and go in the areas that I don't want any shine, which is under the eyes and around the nose and around my mouth, especially right here where I concealed everything. I find this powder to be very blurring, so it's kind of nice. Let's do a little bit in between our eyebrows too. All right. Let's finish off the face with a touch of bronzer. And today we're going with Kosas again because I bought this. I used it one time and then I thought it was just not working. However, it is working because I scraped the top layer of this, which probably had a little bit of oil from my brush. So now I found that it's quite a beautiful color, just enough to give your skin a nice bronzy glow without making you look orange. It's a very, very natural. So I'm going just a touch under my cheekbone, even though it's not a sculpting powder, but just a little bit, and then I'm going straight on my cheek to give me that sun-kissed look, and then a little bit across the nose. Let's do the eyes before we finish off the face. No idea what I'm gonna do, but let's stay simple because I do want the pink cheeks to be the star of the show. So I think I'm going to put a touch of teddy in my crease just to give myself a nice contour, and then I'm going to look straight in the mirror. That way I don't go too high, but just enough to create a small difference. A nice crease. Perfect. And I think for the eyelid, again, simple. Let's go into stacks, and I'm going to move to a denser brush and just pack this all over my eyelid. Oh, this is so beautiful. Blend it. You know what? Let's use our finger to add a little more intensity. Oh yes. Okay, that's beautiful. Blend the edges. Surprisingly, this doesn't have any fallout. Perfect. Gilded eyelids. I'm gonna take a touch of teddy again, just to blend these two colors together. There we go. And I think for the bottom lash, I'm going to keep it simple with teddy. So I'm just gonna take the color and gently blend this. There we go. Let's add mascara, and I was really craving falsies, just small individuals, maybe towards the end, I don't know. I feel like my lashes lately haven't exactly been in the best shape. So let's do a nice natural coat of mascara and then double up with a couple of falsies. I went ahead and added the medium natural individual lashes on my left eye. That way we have visibility to the camera when I do it, because I'm a righty. So what I'm going to do is I placed a little bit of glue on the back of my hand, and I'm picking up the lashes facing me, the root facing me. So that way it's very easy to just pick them up, dip them in the glue, and gently place them at the root of your own lash. Right there. And I'm just going to push them up a little. I won't be adding any more mascara. I love how natural and yet fluffy they are. So I'm gonna leave it as is and put on some lips and then put on the cheeks that we've been dying to try. Let's keep the lips natural. And I think I'm going to just fill in and lip this color with no lipstick. This is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Nice hint of pink, but yet natural. So I'm just going to add a little color and then blend it with my finger. I think to melt this color and just really diffuse it, make it look like a nice berry-kissed lip, I'm going to take a clean brush and soften the edges of my lip contour. I think it's missing something. I think I want gloss. Okay, let's do that. I don't know. I'm feeling all shimmer today. I will never get over how beautiful this smells and how nice it looks on your lips. Okay, I feel much better now. Are we ready for La Piste de Resistance? How beautiful is this bubble pink? And the most I love about it is that it is a cool tone pink, and my skin and everything is warm right now, so it feels like, you know, when you come back from a vacation and you're tan and then you put a pop of cooler color on the apples of your cheeks. That's what we're gonna do. So let's do it justice and use it with the Persona brush. Oh, okay. Do we see this pigment? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand a little bit and then just work it straight. The apples of my cheeks and across the nose. Okay, this is beautiful. I'm not gonna go too high up because I just want that young, fresh look right here on the apples. Okay, this is just gorgeous. I love it. Well done, Sona. Well done. Okay, I think we're done. I'm gonna add a touch of highlighter, just because I forgot. And we are good to go. My goodness. Okay. I am really happy, really happy. Glowy, beautiful pop of bubble pink, glossy lips. I just broke all the rules today. Glitter on the lips, shimmer on the eyes. I do not care. There's no such things as makeup rules. Do what you love. It washes off if you don't. I just wanted something bright and fresh to make me feel good today, and I think I achieved that. And yeah, I paired it with a cute little pink sweater, and I'm ready to go. I need to go to Home Depot and Lowe's to buy plants for my garden, so I'll be all dolled up. All right, my loves. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.